Michael Reiber knows the food and beverage processing industry, including the conversion of a 32,000 square foot warehouse into a clean and organized craft distillery. Dancing Goat Distillery, a family business with a history of success, was fast becoming a company that combined the recognized art and science of distillation with modern technology.
Dancing Goat Distillery is a one-of-a-kind distillery. We have a pot still and a full continuous column that allows us to make products like whiskey, vodka, gin. We want to have the best potential equipment to make the best potential products.
With that in mind, one of Reiber's first recommendations was to switch out their current boiler and replace it with a Miura boiler.
It's very satisfying to have the ability to walk in and hit the green start button and then watch it go through its startup sequence and then go on to doing what you need to do to start the rest of the facility up.
The quality of the steam, as well as the consistency of steam pressure, made Miura the perfect fit for Dancing Goat Distillery's very unique equipment that sets them apart from most distilleries. In addition to a pot still, Dancing Goat Distillery also has a continuous full column still, an advantage that gives them a single-pass solution for producing spirits up to 95% alcohol by volume in 50% less time, while recovering 3 times more alcohol per hour than a traditional pot still.
The Miura boilers are a great fit for our continuous still because they provide clean, consistent, quality steam. We don't want fluctuations in the steam pressure that add or subtract consistency to the process.
There were a number of other reasons why Miura boilers made perfect sense for Dancing Goat Distillery.
The benefits of having quick steam is huge. We don't have to have a dedicated boiler operator that tends to the boiler for 8 hours prior to operation. We can basically go in, walk through, turn it on, fire it up, and then that person can go do other value-added tasks that are required to run the facility.
Miura boilers also make maintenance much easier as compared to traditional boilers. And with Miura's efficient operation, Reiber expects to save about 20 to 25% in fuel costs versus traditional boilers.
The control pad allows us to have the 2 boilers on and have them balance each other out, so there's a lead lag positioning, and then that also allows me to get updates on my phone as far as performance without actually having to go all the way back to the boiler room.
But with Miura, even the state inspector was amazed, not only by the boiler's efficiency and compact size, but the entire boiler room, which is actually part of the Dancing Goat Distillery tour package.
So the Dancing Goat Distillery is a destination location. It makes us feel great knowing that when we tour guests through the facility, that our boilers are intrinsically safe because of their low water volume content.
Protecting the environment was another reason that Reiber went with Miura, explaining that limiting emissions, conserving resources, and sustainability are very important to Dancing Goat Distillery. Miura's LX50 SG Gas Low NOx Series, low and high pressure steam boilers, use natural gas or propane and are available in a range of steam options from 50 to 300 horsepower. Supporting the selection of Miura boilers and playing a critical role in the system design, delivery, and training of the Dancing Goat Distillery Miura boiler system was the supply partner AMS Steam Products of Milwaukee, Wisconsin, a wholly owned subsidiary of Hot Water Products Incorporated, offering support from concept to completion.
You get to develop those relationships with vendors who add value when they bring stuff to the table that is more than what you're looking for. That's when you know you found a good building partner.